it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a candy cane. It's going to be real simple, easy, completely for beginners. It's going to be black and white, by the way. It's a little bit different from the last one. But yeah, that's pretty much it, okay? Let's get started. And first thing I'm going to ask you to do is to please hit the subscribe button if you like, you know, Christmas drawings. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Every Christmas when it rolls around, you're gonna see a couple of cool like art tutorials on your feed about Christmas. Same thing goes for Halloween, by the way. When Halloween rolls around, you'll also see some Halloween tutorials around that time. It's a seasonal channel, so I post during those seasons mostly. Okay, let's get started, okay? First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with I'm gonna draw with a curve, and I'm gonna start over here, and I'm gonna draw a curve over here for the front of that candy cane. Off over here, and down. Curve for this side of the candy cane, right? It's aiming down. Gonna pull up. What we're trying to do really is we're trying to give it like a thickness, you know, that's kind of the biggest part of this. Curve around here. And you can do these gradually, by the way. If you find these curves very hard to do, because I know some of you do, you can just do it in pieces the way I'm doing it right there. See, you can just kind of curve it a little more. Then move your hand, go over here, maybe pull straight down. Slowly, see that? And you're going to keep going for a little bit further. Right? You can just keep it further like that. It's not like something you have to do in one shot. Because, excuse me, because I understand that can be very, very tough, okay? So don't worry about it. Just do it gradual, take your time. Like let's do another one over here as well. So we're going to go over here. Maybe they're lying on top of each other. We're going to go over here, straight. Okay, right here. Going to give it a curve. Around here. Going to find this side. Going to find the other end. Down. Curve in right here for this side. Gonna slowly curve up here. Pull around, pull down. Continuing through this. Curve around here. And we're gonna pull on this side. Line, 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 and it's a slightly curved line, so it shows like it's wrapping around it. Curve over here, 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 right here, right here, curve over here, go over here, flatten out. It's one. Over here, fill that in. We're going to continue to fill these in, right? While I'm filling these in, it's obviously every other one you're going to fill in. I want to let you know that there's a lot of drawing lessons, so absolutely go check out the stuff in the description. I also post my entire like long drawing lessons, stuff that will help you level up on Skillshare. Skillshare is a cool platform, and there's just so much on that platform that I'm gonna post. So absolutely go to Skillshare when you have time. And right now, it is completely free when you go through the link in my description. Right here. Right here. Just kind of continuing to kind of fill this in as it goes down. Hopefully you're doing a good job of this. Over here. Alright, pretty good. And we could even throw like another one on here if you like. You know, maybe have them like scattered around. There could be one over here this way. Just like imagine them just randomly scattered around. Up over here. Curve. It's going to run into that one. And this is going to come out the bottom here. Curve along the bottom. Up. Go over here. Curve. Down. Alrighty, and I'm gonna curve, 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 and I'm gonna fill these out right here. One right there. Two, I'm gonna fill that out. Fill this one out as well. Fill it out as well. And fill this one out as well. And there you go. That's 3 candy canes. I want to thank you very much. What I urge you to do is to comment. I reply to every single comment. Even if it's just hi, you know, that I'll know that you got to this point. Then I will, reply back. But also, like I said, go check out the Skillshare, like I mentioned. And if not, go check out the other drawing tutorials here on Christmas. There's a bunch. I'm going to post tons and tons of them until, Christmas Day. So absolutely go check that out. I want to thank you very much for being around. You're the reason I'm here. Everybody's super nice. And I want you to stay positive. Staying positive is amazing and it helps you draw better. I will talk to you next time.